Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a spice sitting in your kitchen could quietly transform your health while you sleep? Tonight, we're uncovering the incredible nighttime power of clove-infused water, a simple drink that may improve your sleep, digestion, heart, liver, and even your skin. Welcome back to Wellholic, where we share simple, science-backed wellness tips for healthy aging and everyday vitality. Stay till the end because we'll also show you exactly how to prepare clove water the right way and how much to drink safely. If you're tired of tossing and turning each night, here's a little-known secret. A warm glass of clove water before bed might help you sleep deeper. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol that have gentle calming effects. They work with your brain's relaxation pathways to reduce tension and quiet the mind. A 2020 study even found that clove water before bedtime improved overall sleep quality, helping people drift off faster and wake up more refreshed. So instead of reaching for sleep aids, try this. Sip warm clove water about 30 minutes before bed. Your body may thank you in the morning. Ever wake up with that heavy, bloated feeling? Clove water might fix that. Research shows that cloves help stimulate digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. They also contain antimicrobial compounds that fight off bad bacteria linked to indigestion and gut imbalance. When your stomach is calm, your entire system works better and you sleep better too. So a small nightly cup of clove water can set your digestion up for smooth sailing by morning. Think of clove water as your body's nighttime peacekeeper. The eugenol in cloves has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help your body repair while you rest. A 2012 study found that it suppresses enzymes that trigger inflammation, giving your body a chance to heal quietly overnight. It's a soothing ritual that can help you wake up with less stiffness and fewer aches. Here's a fascinating fact. Drinking clove water at night may help steady your blood sugar levels. Eugenol and another compound called nigerin in cloves can enhance insulin function and help glucose move efficiently into cells. Studies show these effects are even stronger at night when insulin sensitivity naturally improves. That means clove water works in harmony with your body's natural rhythm, an effortless support for balanced blood sugar. If you want a natural detox without fancy supplements, clove water might be your answer. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, and eugenol, all of which fight oxidative stress, a key factor in aging and chronic disease. Nighttime is when your body goes into repair mode, and these antioxidants act like a cleanup crew while you sleep. Think of it as sending your body's cells on an overnight spa retreat. Your liver works nonstop to filter toxins, but it can use a little help. Clove water provides antioxidant and anti-inflammatory support that protects liver cells from damage. A 2016 study found that eugenol not only helps prevent liver stress, but can even encourage cell regeneration. So while you sleep, clove water helps your liver reset and recharge, a true nighttime detox from the inside out. If you often wake up with congestion or shortness of breath, clove water might bring relief. Its active compounds can soothe airway inflammation and ease breathing. Research from 2021 showed that eugenol helps relax airways and reduce coughing. A warm cup before bed may help you breathe easier and sleep more soundly. Clove water also supports your heart, the organ that never rests. Studies show cloves help relax blood vessels, lower inflammation, and improve circulation. Better blood flow means lower blood pressure and a reduced risk of heart-related issues over time. It's a small nightly habit with big cardiovascular rewards. Before you reach for that store-bought mouthwash, consider this. Cloves have been used for centuries for dental care. Clove water can help fight bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease. Rinsing your mouth with it before bed may reduce bad breath, inflammation, and sensitivity. It's a gentle, natural upgrade to your nighttime dental routine. Clove water may also help you stay active and mobile as you age. Studies show its eugenol and flavonoids stimulate bone-forming cells and reduce bone breakdown. Over time, that means better bone density and strength, especially important for seniors or anyone dealing with joint discomfort. Bonus benefits: It supports skin glow as clove water's antioxidants fight dullness and inflammation, promoting clear, youthful skin. It may aid weight control, as research suggests it can help boost metabolism and reduce cravings. And it may support men's vitality. Improved blood circulation may help with erectile function and stamina naturally. Here's the best part: it's incredibly easy to make at home. Ingredients: 2 cups of water and 4 to 5 whole cloves. Instructions: bring the water to a gentle boil, add cloves, and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the water turns light brown, turn off the heat and cover, then let it cool and strain into a clean jar. Drink 1 glass before bed, warm or at room temperature. If it's too strong, add a teaspoon of honey. But remember, cloves are potent, don't exceed 2 cups per day. Who knew a spice this small could do so much? From helping you sleep better to supporting your liver, heart, bones, and skin, clove water truly is a natural multitasker. Try this simple nightly habit for a week and see how your body responds. And if you're already drinking clove water, share your results in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wellholic for more simple natural health tips every week. Until next time, stay well, stay balanced, and let nature do its magic, one sip at a time.